Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, May the 31st, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cyber block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Not all. Too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. Alright? Let me start with the 2 stars. Well, it's not the 2 stars. The 2 stars, this one I've counted the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. The 3 stars has 27 printed digits. The 4 stars, 24. So let me start with this one, the 2 stars, then the 4 stars, the binary, and the jigsaw Sudoku. Yeah. So I will skip the third, the 3 stars puzzle because it has 27 printed digits. Alright, the 2 stars. Number 8633. Yeah. And I've told you before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Should be a 4 stars. A 2 stars puzzle has 26 printed digits. This one has 24. 2 less. Well, for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, it's indicated with 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. We have here 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. Only place left 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8. Oh no, 8, 8. Alright. 8, 8. Alright. Cannot continue with 8 now, need to wait. How about 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 and a 1 in the last column, so no 9 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. 9 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 1, 9 and a 1. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and 7. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then, need a 9 here, need a 9 there. Need a 2 here, yep. 3 missing numbers in the first row. 1 of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in this box. So the 2 in the first row could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 6. Done. 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left of 6 should be there. 2, 4, 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. Last row. So the row between. The only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. Yep, 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in the first column, so no 2 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 9 and the 5, 9 and 5. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 7. Need a 5 here. Yeah, we have a pair. We have a 5 and a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. We have 5 and a 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left with 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 in this row. Second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 9 goes there. 3, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this row. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Then need a 9 here, need a 6 here, and I need a 7 here. Alright, need a 5 here. How about 1 box left in this for second column for number 1. 1, okay. Then let me see, need a 4. Well, these 3 missing numbers in the third column are the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Okay, 2, 3, 6. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 2 in this row. So no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left should be the 7. Okay. 1 and 2. Okay. 7 and 9. We have a 7 now in this row. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Okay. So we need a 9 there. 2, 3, 6. 2, 3, 6. Need a 7 here. Now. Let me see. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second row, 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, no 1 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. The only place left for 4, A should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. The only place left for 5, A should be there. Then, let me see. Alright, 1, 2. Well, these 2 missing numbers in this row, for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. Yeah, we have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then we have in these 3 boxes 2, 3, 6. We have a 3 there, so 2 and a 6 are left. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so the row between middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. Well, cannot fill this yet. How about here? In these 2 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, wait. These 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 3 and 6, we have a 3 now in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, I thought it was a hard one, because it has 24 printed digits. Turns out this is 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 13 minutes, 0 stars. Well. I hope the next Sudoku will be a hard one. I miss the hard ones. Yeah, publisher, give us hard ones. I want to think. Yeah, I need to think. Anyway, thank you. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.